Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have the February Open Gate Quilts subscription box to share with all of you. Monique Jacobs of Maywood Studios did send this to me, so let's go ahead and see what we got this month. Inside you'll find the logo for Open Gate Quilts, and then you go ahead and find this custom tissue paper that she has. Inside we do have this leaflet that tells us the contents of our box as well as the patterns that are in here, and then there is usually a monthly Zoom call with Monique where she goes over the large project in this box with you. That class is on February 17th at 7 p.m. CST. If you're unfamiliar with this box, we usually get a large project, we usually get a small project, we'll get 2 spools of thread, we usually get maybe a notion, or you could get a fat quarter, let's see what else, an extra pattern, so lots of goodies, and it's kind of different every month, so you never know really what to expect. It is $47 per month for the box, and then it is $14 for the backing and $15 for the fat quarter bundle. The fat quarter bundle is 4 coordinating fat quarters, and then it also comes with a free pattern in there as well. First up, we do have a tan colored thread here, or like an off-white tan. This is number 2000 for those of you who would like to know the color. And then we have a bluish green here, kind of a light teal. This one is 2846, I believe. Yes, 2846. I just want to share this because just from these boxes, I'm getting quite the collection here of Aurifil threads. Do you guys see these? So I'm just going to go ahead and add these two to my collection as well. I guess we'll put this one here with the colors, and then we'll go ahead and put our neutral up here. But how exciting is that? I love that I'm getting thread every single month. For these little projects that Monique includes in the box, it does come with all of the contents that you need for this little project, which I love so much. Not all the boxes do that, so it's really unique to her box. This is a set of 2 6-inch jar openers. Okay. Here's what they look like. Okay. And it does come with the kind of grippy material as well. If you guys have ever lined shelves, you guys can find this actually at Walmart on a roll if you ever need to use this for something. And then we do have our 2 pieces of fabric for this project. So we have this beautiful little square print here, and a coordinating kind of orange print that goes with it. Okay, our little item this month is actually a fat quarter. So here, let me show you what this is. This is so pretty. Okay, this is Coriander Quilt. So this is In the Garden by Corey Yoder, for those of you interested. So pretty. This really reminds me of Sherry and Chelsea's lines as well. They have this kind of like melon colored a lot in their prints, as well as these kind of like teal colors. Let's go through our coordinating fat quarter bundle here before we get into the large project. Okay, so before I get into this, it says this month's fabrics are light pink, orange, and green by Henry Glass Fabrics. The fat quarter pattern this month is called TV Time and includes everything you need to make this 19.5-inch by 26-inch quilt except for the backing. So here is the pattern. This one is called TV Time. Looks like you get to learn how to snowball a little bit. And then just to show you all together, they are really pretty. All right, our final project here. This is the large project. Okay. I'm excited for this one. Okay, and really quick, these fabrics are also by Henry Glass. This is Simply Charming by Henry Glass. And it does include the fabric for the top and the binding, as well as a full color pattern and picture. And then of course you could have added on that backing, which is $14 per month. And Monique always gives you just enough fabric to make the pattern. So I guess you could really think of it as little mini quilt kits, right? Definitely a time saver for busy moms like myself. This is really cute. We have a little French wording here on this one. Okay, and then here is our pattern for this month. This one, let's see, what is this one called? I'm not really sure. Okay, let's open it up and see what this one is called. Okay, this one is called Come On, Be Happy. It is 22.5 inches by 25 inches, so cute little wall hanging. I guess you could also do like a little table topper if you wanted as well. Gosh, I love this so much because look at the border. I've never made a border like this before, but this is so cute. I'm excited for this one, and I love these little birds so much. All right, I almost forgot this little piece was just sitting here, but it's for the eyeballs on those birds, and it is adhesive backed black fabric. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and just cut these out into little circles for the eyes, stick the adhesive right on your quilt, and then of course when you go to quilt your quilt, you can go ahead and quilt directly over that, or you could also, if you wanted to, do a little slip stitch around or just something like that to secure it in place, whatever you guys wanna do. Okay, and then we have the backing fabric for that little mini quilt, and this is also from the Simply Charming line. And that designer for Henry Glass, let me see because I did see it on here. That designer is Janet Nesbitt of One Sister Designs. Just noticed. There you go, you're tying in the front of the quilt to the back here with the backing. Okay, here are your fabrics in that quilt. So pretty. All right, well that is it for this box. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Please let me know what your thoughts are down below. And I will see you next time for the next unboxing. Bye everybody, I hope you have a wonderful month.